Safety is an important part of the operations of the oil and gas companies in the GCC, and it's not because it's just a mandatory requirement. They cannot afford to cut corners, because any time that you may have an incident, what is going to happen is that they're going to lose productivity, as well as that the cost for mitigation after that can be in the tens to hundreds of times the cost of the personal protection equipment. So that's why the oil and gas companies are very safety conscious. It's part of their culture. It's part of their environment. It's part of every step that they take. The first thing that they do is safety. And because in Endifac the most important asset that they have are the people that are working there, because they are the ones that are actually running the assets. Actually, as we speak, more than 500 million workers are protected by Honeywell personal protection equipment. So when we talk about the safety products, Honeywell pays a lot of attention to two factors. The first one is obviously the user itself, and we center and we develop a lot around the user experience. Like, for example, if you want to design glasses, you would be thinking that this is just a standard simple product, but in Endifac there is a lot of comfort that comes in when you design it, whether it is just the basic things like the design and the ergonomics, or the movement up, down, left, right, or coming down to features such as anti-fogging or respiration of the glasses themselves. The second thing that we put when it comes to the products is understanding status. And what we mean about the status, if we're talking about gas detection, it is the real-time tracking of status, whether what kind of gas at what kind of moment the particular worker is under influence. So that's why the new generation of products, they're coming with connected technology, through which, through cloud solutions, you're able to monitor remotely what the status of the employees, what kind of gases they're exposed to. To summarize, it's about two things. One is the user experience of the products, but the second one is everything that has to do with analyzing and understanding the status of the user. Where the biggest development and the biggest opportunity for Honeywell is, as well as for the market, is everything around the actual technology of providing real-time status per employee and monitoring it at a scale. You can deploy for 10 people, 20 people, 50 people, but the real thing comes when you have to deploy it plant-wide, or you have to deploy it enterprise-wide. Think about multiple refineries, drilling platforms, transportation, tanking stations. You put all of them together into a centralized enterprise connected worker environment. That's where the ultimate goal is for Honeywell. We have done it already for the plant, where we are monitoring multiple plants, multiple operations. We have done it for the buildings, where we are able to monitor multiple buildings, where we are working towards monitoring multiple sites of multiple groups of people at the same time for different risks.